Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's SHIB video update for Friday 26th of August. Now there's a lot to talk about SHIB. There's a lot of work to do with SHIB as well, and I do see some negative candlestick at the moment, unfortunately, for SHIB. And yesterday I did actually leave you with an update that if SHIB does this, then SHIB is going to do that, and it didn't do that, right? So unfortunately, on a 1 hour time frame, yeah, you did came down like this for SHIB, and then you moved sideways to the upside, and that's something known as a bear flag at the moment. So this bear flag technical target tells me that SHIB is interested to go down to this price level, which hasn't been met, and that's going to be 1289 down here at 1288, and that's going to be again near the support level. So if you do come down to 1289, what is that on a 4 hour time frame, and what does that mean for SHIB as well? Okay, so there's a lot of problem. You can even see on the 4 hour time frame, it's a very clear bear flag at the moment, right? So that's a very clear bear flag right over there. So if you're coming down, there's this trend line that I showed you before, and this trend line has pretty much been respected in the previously as well. But I do think it's time for SHIB to even go below the trend line and start to roll over to the downside because of how Bitcoin might be looking. Now, however, I want to actually talk about a reversal wave using fib retracement to the downside. So if I do take the fib retracement from the bottom here to the top right over there, you are in a very crucial situation right now, and that is you're coming to 0.618. There are good chances that the technical target of that bear flag is taking you all the way down to 1297, okay, to the 0.786. But if you're going to be losing 0.618, and if you're going to lose 0.786, then I think it's time for SHIB to basically roll down to this price level, which is going to be 1126 on the fib retracement. If you're going to start to lose 1334, then there's a big threat that SHIB actually does come down there. However, if you do come down to the technical target of the bear flag, which is 1287, and hold this level like a boss, and then you start to bounce back up again and try to back test 1334, cross the 1334, then that will be very positive. Okay, all you have to do is always stay above 1334. If you're ever going to close below 1334, then there's a very big threat of something bad to happen in the future. But as long as you're going to be above that level, there are chances for SHIB to move to the upside. And when it moves to the upside, we're going to talk about the movements in the future if it does happen in the channel. And that's pretty much it for this quick update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.